One of the simplest methods to make money online is by typing words, and in this video, I'll show you how to earn $5 every 60 seconds. How do you do it? We'll soon find out. This is how you may make money typing words online. Before we move any farther, welcome to MoneyFlow, where we will teach you the most recent making money online ideas, tips, and techniques. So hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more money. Making techniques, don't forget to leave a comment below. You can earn up to $300 per hour by starting to type while drinking your favorite coffee. Simply check that you're following the proper procedures. You can copy and paste it, though if you don't feel like typing. Additionally, there is no requirement for prior writing expertise. There is no upfront fee, and enrollment on this website is totally free. Your PC or smartphone can be used for this. Furthermore, you can carry out this action from any location in the world, whether you use an iOS or an Android device. I'll tell you how to do this immediately away after this. Stick with us until the end of this video, and I'm sure you'll be able to make a lot more money by these 3 websites that I will show you one by one where you can earn money. If you found this video to be interesting and helpful, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and of course, if you have any questions, we'll be happy to help. Return to the video now, starting with the first website. What you need to do is go to typingtest.com, an extremely important website where you can take a 60-second typing test. Clicking on typing tests on this website will lead you to this page. Check your typing skills in a minute type away to join more than 150 million test takers. Therefore, you can choose a test that lasts 1 to 10 minutes and then pick text passages or terms that are absolutely essential. And now log in and choose the medium text choice and the 1-minute exam. The best part is that you can accomplish this easily on your smartphone. As you can see, clicking Start Test will allow you to begin typing. They will then time you for 1 minute and evaluate how quickly you type. As an illustration, the timer will start ticking whenever I begin typing a particular set of words, and it will then display my typing speed. You may now get a free typing course to help you type more quickly by going back to the home page and clicking on Typing Courses. The reason for this is that I'll show you a few websites in this video where you may earn money by just typing. Additionally, your earnings increase with your typing speed. I'm going to show you the websites right now where you may type your way to online income. The first website on our list will thus be this one. The price per minute is therefore $1.50, as you can see right here. Now let's go to an internet calculator and perform the mathematical calculation. So $1.50 every minute, and if you type for 60 minutes or an hour, you may get $90. You may make $270 if you type for 3 hours. And if you type for 5 hours, you can make up to $450 for doing nothing more than typing. Consequently, this is a chance that comes along only once in a lifetime. This is a very trustworthy website that has earned the trust of more than 750,000 grateful users from a variety of industries worldwide, so Rev.com is the name of this website. I want you to go to their homepage right now. As you can see, the cost of audio and video transcription is $1.50 per minute. As well, the cost of English closed captions is $1.50, and subtitles that have been translated into other languages is $5 to $12 per minute. In fact, coming from a different country gives you a very good advantage. You can assist them by translating the videos from English to any other language you want. Check for a language that doesn't have enough translated subtitle videos. For instance, if you're from India and there isn't a Hindi subtitle accessible, you can make a lot of money doing this. As you can see, the hourly rate ranges from $5 to $12. Let's see your earning potential now. On average, you make roughly $5 per minute, which means you can earn $300 per hour. I believe $1.50 per minute will do just pretty well. In the bottom left corner of our page, which is where you scroll down, you can now see freelancers. When you click it, you'll be brought to this website where you can view Rev freelance jobs with a very flexible work schedule. You will be paid frequently on a weekly basis and have your selection among hundreds of assignments. The finest aspect is that you will receive your money promptly and trustworthily. If you want more videos with different money-making techniques and in an easy way, be sure subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification to be the first one to use the newest techniques of making money online. Now let's return to the video. The second website on our list is transcribeme.com, where you may also sign up for free. There are a few job openings on their webpage. You may type and work online doing transcription or translation. Because transcribing is the one that pays the most, I'd prefer you to concentrate on it. As you can see, they provide the finest rates in the sector, with beginning pay of $15 to $22 every audio hour and a high monthly pay of $2,200. It's very great and more than amazing. Let's perform the calculations now by using an internet calculator. Therefore, you may make $22 per hour of audio by working 5 hours. However, TranscribeMe.com is less lucrative than Rev.com, so I suggest that you set aside some time and sign up for Rev.com because it's a better choice. Even though you may sign up for both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com if you want to create various sources of revenue. You may now sign up with TranscribeMe.com by clicking on Get Started, which will take you to a website where you can do so. The beautiful thing about this website is that you can work on it from either a phone or a computer, and the work hours and schedules are fairly flexible, so you can go at your own speed. The nicest aspect is that they just provide you with 2 to 4 minute video, so it isn't at all long. Just picture how much money you might make if you spent a half hour or even an hour transcribing. You only need to submit your first name, last name, and email address. When prompted to provide your genuine email for the confirmation link for account activation, be sure to do so. After that, you may make your password right here and confirm it. Then input the PayPal account where they may send the payment to you. Always make time to check your email since they may occasionally ask you for your typing speed. If they do, they will send you the necessary information to verify it, and here is where typingtest.com is useful. Consequently, in order to determine your word per minute typing speed, on this page a typing test is available. You'll be able to immediately check your findings following the test. Take a screenshot of the outcome and then email it to them. That is all that is left to do. You may increase or even double your typing speed by joining in one of the typing courses offered on our website. You'll have more possibilities for jobs if you do this. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money from another website while only copying a YouTube link. Then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.